Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will start working on 3D project. As this is the project that we did in 2D, okay, and we will do same project in 3D. So let's get started. First we will just start from the walls. We have to just create a walls, then we will create windows and doors and so on, okay. So let me just check what is the height of the wall. Here I can just check. Okay, the height of the wall is 3000 millimeter. So first what I will do, I will just go here in layer panel. Just follow me what I will do. I will just go here and I will create new layer and I will give name as 3D wall. What? It is better to work in layers, okay. And I will just make this as a current layer. I will just select this one, okay, as a current layer. Now I will go here and I will start creating walls. To creating wall, I will just use polyline here. I will just go here, PL enter. Okay, I will start from here. Okay, then next point is this one, and then this one. Okay, as next point, and then this one. Okay, then this one, and then this one, and I will give close to this one. Now the thickness of the wall is 225 mm. We can see here with this command. Okay, the thickness is 225, so I will make a offset of 225. Okay, I need width 225. I will hit enter and I will select this one and I will click here to give a offset. Okay, now the next thing we will just use press pull command. Okay, before that I will just off some of the layers, like these layers I do not need right now. I will use command lay off. What? Lay off, OFF. Okay, to off the unwanted layers. I will click enter, then I will choose that layer that I want to off. For example, I do not need this layer, okay, and this layer and this layer as well. Okay, I do not need these as well. Okay, now I want to just create a wall. This is a wall. Okay, I will just go here in southwest isometric view and I will use here press pull command. What? Press pull command. I can use extrude command as well. I can use press pull. Okay, so I will use here press pull. I will click here and I will select both of these profiles, okay, to pull these upward. So what is the height? Height is 3000 as we have seen already. Okay, and I will hit enter. Now you can see here in realistic view our walls are going to create it. Now I will just on the layers again, all of the layers. I will choose lay on command, lay on. I will hit enter to on all of the layers. Now the next step here will be we have to just create doors and windows as well. Before creating doors and windows, we have to just give a length level here. Okay, for that I will just go here in 2D wireframe again. I will just choose polyline again and I will just select this point, first point. Okay, for length level. Okay, this point, then I will choose this point, then this point, and then this point, and then this point. Oh, and I will just keep close. Okay, now we have to see the what is the length level. The door height is 2100 millimeter, as you can see here in door schedule 2100 millimeter. So the length level will be 2100 millimeter. So I will just move this one upward. Okay, so I will choose move command, M enter. Then I will just select this one, this point. I will hit enter. I will just choose this point, okay, as a base point, for example this point, and make sure your ortho mode is on. I will just give it 2100 millimeter of value and I will hit enter. Now this is the length level here. Now the next thing here will be we have to just create a cutouts for doors and windows. Let me just change the view from here. I will just go in southeast isometric view and I will just create a doors here. I will go here in box command and I will just choose this point as first point, okay, and then this point as the second point, okay. Then for height, 2100 millimeter is the height of the door, so I will give 2100 and I will hit enter. Now first box is going to create it. Okay, now next we have to just create this window, this door, and this window, and we will just subtract this to make a cutout. Okay, so I will choose again box command. I will use this point as first point, then second point, and the height of the window is, what will be the height? I will just check here, is 1200 millimeter. Okay, you can see here 1200 millimeter. So I will just give a height of extrusion as 1200 and I will hit enter. Now we have to just move this window on this level. This is the lintel level, so we have to just move this, okay, this box here. I will choose move command. I will hit enter. I will select this one, again enter. We have to just specify the base point. Now I will select this point as a base point. Now hold the shift key, okay, then right click. I will just select this perpendicular option and I will give this point as the second point, okay. Now this is again created. Now we have to just create this door and this window as well. Again we will just choose this box command and I will just go here, and this is the first point, as this is the second point. Let me just choose this one as a second point. Then for height I will give 2100 mm, okay. I will hit enter. Now I have to just create this one. I will go here to choose box command. Again I will just give this point as a first point, second point, then 1200 millimeter is the height. Now I will just move this one upward, m. I will hit enter. Now I will select this one, hit enter. Again I will choose any of the base point from here and hold the shift key, right click and give a perpendicular option, okay. Now I will give this point as a perpendicular point, okay. Now we will just go again into the realistic view, and you can see here these boxes are going to create it, okay. Now we have to subtract these boxes from here. So for subtraction we will use subtract command. Su is the subtract command. I will hit enter. Now what I have to do, I will select this profile. I want to just subtract from this wall, okay. So I will select this wall, I will hit enter. Now I will choose that I want to subtract. For example, I want to subtract this one, okay. Okay, I will hit enter. Now again I will use subtract command. I will select this one, I will hit enter. Now I will choose this point, okay. This you can see, this I will hit enter. Now again I will select this point, again hit enter. Now I will choose this point, I will hit enter. Again I will choose this, okay, subtract command with enter key again and again. I can repeat that command, and I will just choose this one for subtraction. I will hit enter. Now I will choose that I want to subtract, so I will select this one, I will hit enter. Now you can see here doors and windows cutouts are going to create it here, okay. So this was a procedure to create walls and doors and windows cutouts as well. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.